Hey guys, I'm here with Battalion Chief Trunky. He's going to go over our new sprayers that we have for deconning our equipment and our apparatus that we just acquired. So with that said, I'm going to turn it over to him. Chief, thank you for taking the time to do this video with me. Appreciate it. And it's all yours.
Hey everybody, Battalion Chief Trunky, and just want to hope everybody's having a good, safe shift. And I'm going to go over a couple of things to show you how to set up the SCBA with the spray gun for doing decon. First thing that you're going to need is the Ajax tool regulator. Every station has one. We're going to pull the regulators out of the boxes so that it's readily available so that we can set this up, because we're going to be using it for this purpose much more than what we're going to be using it for using the Ajax tool. So you need your Ajax regulator, which is set at 125 psi, and we don't have to adjust anything on the regulator. That's fine. So you're going to take your G1 SCBA bottle that has the quick connect coupling. It's going to require a 15/16 wrench to disconnect the quick connect. I'm not that strong. I already loosened it. You're going to put the adapter someplace in a safe place so that we don't lose it. Okay, you're going to connect the regulator up to the bottle. Tighten it down hand tight. You're going to hook the spear fitting into the quick connect. And then you're going to hook the quick connect coupling here up to the Harbor Freight central pneumatic high volume, low pressure, gravity fed spray gun, which in normal cases is going to be used for painting, automotive or equipment, whatever. So this one has a built-in regulator. The regulator should be set at, after we turn the bottle on, to about 45 psi. You want to get a close-up of that. And then you'll see that when I'm operating the gun that it drops down to about 35 psi. Okay, the chemical that we're using to decon is a product called Lemon Quat, and we're going to be mixing this at 4 ounces per gallon of water. And then in order to fill it, it's about a quarter turn, and it's got a little bit of a lock to it. So you're going to open it up, and in this case we have some pre-mixed already. Actually, it's just water.
Yeah, don't drink the chemical,
I think. You put the lid on it, your bottle is on, your regulator is set, and then there's 2 stages. You have a trigger that releases air, and if you pull the trigger a little bit further, it releases a very, very fine mist. Okay, when we're deconning trucks or equipment, important thing to remember is that you have your N95 mask on, eye protection, and latex gloves on. We don't want to soak the computers or electrical equipment inside the truck. We're just using this for like the soft and hard surfaces of the truck. And you don't have to soak them down where they're wet. You just need to get that mist. It's gonna get in there and do the job. For our electrical equipment, radios, computers, and emergency light controls, steering wheel, you want to use your normal disinfectant wipes to kill any potential coronavirus or whatever else might be on on those surfaces.
I believe this product, Chief, that we got is once you spray it on there, they're recommending to let it sit for 10 minutes and air dry. After that, if there's any left or residual left, you can probably wipe it off. But they're saying 10 minutes and then air dry.
All right.
Show us that spray again, Chief. So you got two stages there. When you first start out, you got
First
the air.
stage is just air. You can see where the trigger is pulled to. Then you pull it back a little bit further and it starts to release the mixture.
Good. All right. Well, there you go, guys. I appreciate it, Chief, again for taking the time to do this video with me and all your support. And guys, if you have any questions or concerns, reach out. Stay safe. Love you guys. Bye.